Okay, this is probably the last video of the puppies. They're 7 weeks old. They start leaving on Friday. They've gotten quite big, quite fast. As you can see, favorite toy is a plastic bottle. They're going to be getting their shots today. They are officially weaned. We have the ring around them so she won't nurse them at all before they leave. Let's see, this is red, so that's Harry. There's gold for Bella. There's Archie black. The blue over here. That's blue. That's blue. Yeah, that's blue. No. Go get your bottle. Okay, Archie's got the bottle, Bella. There's Harry. There's green. Oh, there he is. There's Fergus. Where's Duke? You Duke? You Duke? There's Saya. I see you, Saya. Yep, that's Dukey scratch in his collar. Saya, go play with your buddies. Go play with your buddies. They inherited this talent from their daddy. Nixon's a great bottle killer. Get that bottle, guys. Get it. Cheap toys. When they're done with it, you throw it in the recycle. Who's that? It's Harry. Hey guys, say see you guys on the weekend. We're gonna see everybody on the weekend. There's little Bella. Okay guys.